Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete Hollywoodbets account. If you'd like to delete your Hollywoodbets account in 2025, the process is quick and simple. First, log into the email account linked to your Hollywoodbets profile, compose a new email, and use the subject line "Request to delete my Hollywoodbets account," and the body clearly state that you would like your account permanently deleted, and for extra clarity, include your registered username or account details. Then send the email to this email. Once sent, wait for their support team to respond with confirmation or any additional instructions. After approval, your account will be deactivated and removed. And that's it. It's a straightforward way to close your Hollywood Bets account while making sure everything is handled securely. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.